Yeah, it's a very special day. We are very honored and excited to be invited to accompany His Excellency the President in the planting of mangroves. It shows the deep commitment of Indonesia with sustainable development in conservation and restoration of such important area as are the mangroves.
I'm coming from a country where we have a lot of forests, but because it's another country, we don't have mangrove forests. But I have understood that it's very efficient in absorbing CO2 gases. So I think that the ecosystem, if you need to put your money to one type of forest, I think this is a very good choice. And I congratulate the Indonesian government for this choice.
This program that the government and the president is leading, very important for Indonesia and also for the whole world. It's the world's biggest mangrove restoration program, and therefore we applaud the government of Indonesia for undertaking it.
I think that it is very, very, very important because all of us, we know very well that these programs are not important for this particular country, but also for all of us around the world. Because global climate is not concerning individuals or government, one government, but all of us.
I hope it may somehow serve as an example, as a stimulus also to other people in Indonesia, but also in other parts of the world, a stimulus to pay more respect to nature, to protection of nature, to be living more harmoniously with nature, while at the same time being able to make a living, to be able to have a decent living conditions. This is valid for here, but also for other parts of the world.